Welcome to Kickoff 2026 in Dallas, Texas. Everything that you see here today, it's a result of people. Ownership here is real, and today it pays off again.
Hey, what's up? What's up?
Kickoff is always special, but this one feels different, bigger, more meaningful.
I'm here to talk to you about the art of fearless collaboration. Create the space where they can be fearless, where they can be brave as they collaborate. You create the opportunity for wildly unexpected success.
The fact that everyone in this company is an owner matters.
We have changed lives and allowed people financial freedom and a place to be successful. That's why we have ownership for all, and that's what we're going to celebrate here on our 10th anniversary.
Ownership is not a perk. Ownership is a responsibility. And today, that responsibility pays off. And that's why I'm about to share with you matters so much. For the first time in our history, Groundworks will pay a dividend to every employee owner. The dividend is something we've earned. This is no gift. This is no gimmick. This is a recognition of our journey, but it is not the destination.
What I've come to know over the course of my life as an athlete and as an entrepreneur is that greatness grows best in the shadows. Greatness is developed in the mud, because those moments are shaping us into the men and women we need to become in order to have the success that we desire.
Let's get it! Let's get it! You always got one more in there. Just gotta decide. You're in charge, not your muscles. If you want to change your life, start with your health and make these decisions every single day. That's winning in life.
Please welcome to the stage Groundworks brand ambassador, Mike Rowe.
The jackhammer weighs about 100 pounds. He hands it to me with one hand. I'm like, are you kidding me? 20 seconds and I'm ready to soil myself. And he grabs it, and all day long. And it comes out in the video in such a fun way. You set a standard in terms of employee ownership. It's a really important story to tell.
It is my pleasure to welcome you to the Groundworks Amazing Race. After you and your team will be assembling a bicycle for the local Boys and Girls Club of Greater Dallas.
Remember, this was not luck. This came from performance and the relentless pursuit of victory. I couldn't be more confident in the leadership team and this company and where we're going next and the history we will continue to make together.